Hello students, today we will talk about role of computers. Let us now talk about uses of computers in different fields. You must have seen computers at many places. They are used in almost all fields and play an important role in our life. Computers are used for at homes, computer is used for watching movies and listening songs, searching information on any topic, playing games, doing homework. In schools, computer is used for keeping records of books and helping teachers in teaching, making timetable, report cards and library records, doing practical work in lab, helping to draw and color. At shops and offices, computer is used for keeping records of items, typing and printing bills, sending and receiving messages in offices. In banks, computer is used for keeping the records of our accounts, taking out money from ATMs. At hospitals, computer is used for keeping records of patients, preparing medical reports and X-rays, etc. Knowing more about diseases and their causes. At railway stations and airports, computer helps in booking tickets, keeping records of all the passengers, giving information about arrival and departure timings. In space, research and defense, computer helps in finding information about space, sending rockets into space, helping the military to make security weapons. In learning new skills, computer helps in learning how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane, learning different languages, cooking, and much more. In designing, computer helps in designing clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc. It also helps in designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines, etc. Making cartoons and animated movies.